Java read files. Reading files in Java. Java provides several ways to read files: buffered reader and file reader. Efficient for large files, buffered reader provides buffering for faster reading. Line-by-line processing, ideal for reading files line by line. Java. Import java.io *. Public class read file example. Public static void main, string args, throws IO exception. String file name equals your_file.txt. Buffered reader br equals new buffered reader, new file reader, file name. String line. While, line equals br read line, equals null. System.out.println, line. Br close. 2 using scanner. Convenient for parsing, offers methods to read different data types, int, double, etc. Simpler syntax, often preferred for smaller files or simple parsing tasks. Java. Import java.io *. Import java.utility *. Public class read file example. Public static void main, string args, throws file not found exception. Scanner equals new scanner, new file, your_file.txt. While, scanner.has next line. String line equals scanner.next line. System.out.println, line. Scanner.close. 3 using files class, Java 7+. Concise for reading entire file content, reads the whole file into a list of strings. Suitable for small files, not recommended for large files due to potential memory issues. Import java.io, import java.neo.file, import java.utility-list. Public class read file example. Public static void main, string args, throws IO exception list string lines equals files.read all lines, paths get, your_file.txt, 4, string line, lines, system.out.println, line. 4 using input stream and buffered reader. Lower level approach, provides more control over file reading. Used for various input sources, not limited to files. Java. Import java.io *. Public class read file example. Public static void main, string args, throws IO exception. File input stream fis equals new file input stream, your_file.txt. Input stream reader ISR equals new input stream reader, fis. Buffered reader BR equals new buffered reader, ISR. String line. While, line equals BR read line, equals null. System.out.println, line. BR close. Israel close. Fis.close. Key considerations. File size. For large files, buffered reader is generally more efficient. Data format. If you need to parse specific data types, scanner is a good option. Simplicity. For quick and simple tasks, files.read all lines might suffice. Control. If you need fine-grained control over file reading, input stream and buffered reader offer more flexibility. 2 Java delete files. To delete files in Java, you can use the delete method provided by the java.io.file class. Here's a basic example of how to delete a file. Example, delete a file. Import java.io.file. Public class delete file example. Public static void main, string args. / specify the path of the file you want to delete. File equals new file, path /to/your/file.txt. / check if the file exists. If file.exists. / attempt to delete the file. If file.delete. System.out.println, file deleted successfully. Else. System.out.println, failed to delete the file. Else. System.out.println, file not found. Notes. File path, replace path /to/your/file.txt with the actual path of the file you want to delete. File.exists, this method checks whether the file exists. File.delete, this method deletes the file. It returns true if the file was deleted successfully, and false otherwise. Deleting a directory. If you want to delete a directory, the directory must be empty. Here's how you can delete an empty directory. Import java.io.file. Public class delete directory example. Public static void main, string args. / specify the path of the directory you want to delete. File directory equals new file, path /to/your/directory. / check if the directory exists. If directory.exists. / attempt to delete the directory. If directory.delete. System.out.println, directory deleted successfully. Else. System.out.println, failed to delete the directory. Else. System.out.println, directory not found. Deleting a non-empty directory. To delete a non-empty directory, you need to recursively delete all files and subdirectories inside it. Import java.io.file. Public class delete non-empty directory example. Public static void main, string args. / specify the path of the directory you want to delete. File directory equals new file, path /to/your/directory. / call the recursive delete method. If delete directory, directory. System.out.println, directory deleted successfully. Else. System.out.println, failed to delete the directory. Public static boolean delete directory, file directory. If directory.is directory. / if directory is not empty, recursively delete all files and subdirectories. File files equals directory.list files. If files equals null. For file files. Delete directory, file. / delete the directory itself. Return directory.delete. This example handles both empty and non-empty directories. It recursively deletes all files and subdirectories before deleting the directory itself. Java regex. Java regular expressions, regex. Regular expressions, often shortened to regex or regex, are powerful tools for matching and manipulating text. In Java, they are used extensively for tasks like validating user input, example email, phone number, searching and replacing text, parsing and extracting information from text. Core classes. Java provides two primary classes in the java.utility regex package. Pattern compiles a regular expression into a pattern object. Matcher performs match operations on a character sequence using a compiled pattern. Basic syntax. Here's a simple example. Java. Import java.utility regex.matcher. Import java.utility regex.pattern. Public class regex example. Public static void main, string args. String regex. Equals \\\d plus sign, / matches one or more digits. String input equals my phone number is 12345678990. Pattern equals pattern.compile, regex. Matcher equals pattern.matcher, input. If, matcher.find. System.out.println, found a number, plus matcher.group. Key components of a regex. Meta characters, special characters with specific meanings, example $, asterisk, plus. Quantifiers, specify the number of occurrences of a preceding element, example asterisk, plus, n, nm. Character classes, define a set of characters to match, example ABC, ABC. Groups and capturing, create sub-expressions and capture matched groups, example ABC. Anchors, match specific positions within the input, example $. Common use cases. Email validation. Java. String email regex equals \\w dot. Plus at, \w plus dot. Plus az2, $4. Password validation. Java. String password regex equals equals \d equals at $%, and az \d at $%, and $8. Extracting information. Java. String logline equals info, user John_do logged in from 192.168.1.100. Pattern equals pattern.compile, user, \w plus sign, logged in from, \d plus \\d dot \d plus \d plus dot \d plus. Matcher equals pattern.matcher, logline. If, matcher.find. String username equals matcher.group, 1. String IP-address equals matcher.group, 2. // Additional tips. Use online regex testers to experiment with different patterns. Break down complex regexes into smaller, understandable parts. Consider using flags, example pattern.case_insensitive, for case-insensitive matching. Be aware of potential performance implications when using complex regexes. Regular expressions in Java. Regular expressions in Java, a deeper dive. Understanding the basics. We've covered the fundamental concepts of regular expressions in Java. Let's delve deeper into specific elements and applications. Core classes. Pattern compiles a regular expression into a pattern object, which is immutable. Matcher performs match operations on a character sequence using a compiled pattern. Basic syntax. Java. Import java.utility.regex.matcher. Import java.utility.regex.pattern. Public class regex example. Public static void main, string args. String regex. Equals \\d plus sign, / matches one or more digits. String input equals my phone number is 12345678990. Pattern equals pattern.compile, regex. Matcher equals pattern.matcher, input. If, matcher.find. System.out.println, found a number, plus matcher.group. Key components and examples. Meta characters. Matches any single character except new line. Caret matches the beginning of a line. Dollar matches the end of a line. Asterisk matches 0 or more repetitions of the preceding element. Plus matches 1 or more repetitions of the preceding element. Matches 0 or 1 occurrence of the preceding element. Alternation, matches either the expression before or after the pipe. Character class, matches any one of the enclosed characters. Grouping, used to create sub-expressions. Quantifiers. N matches exactly n repetitions. N matches at least n repetitions. NM matches at least n but not more than m repetitions. Character classes. \d matches a digit. \w matches a word character, alphanumeric and underscore. \s matches a witty space character. Advanced features. Capturing groups, use parentheses to capture matched groups. Java. Pattern equals pattern.compile, \d2, /d2, /d left brace for right brace. Matcher equals pattern.matcher, 01/23/2024. If, matcher.find. String day equals matcher.group, 1. String month equals matcher.group, 2. String year equals matcher.group, 3. Look around assertions, match without consuming characters. Equals, positive look ahead. Negative look ahead. Equals, positive look behind. Negative look behind. Flags, modify the behavior of the pattern matcher. Pattern.case underscore insensitive. Pattern.multiline. Pattern.total. Common use cases. Email validation. Java. String email regex equals caret \\w dot. Plus at \\w plus dot. Plus az2, $4. Password validation. Java. String password regex equals caret, equals az, equals az, equals \d, equals at $%, and az d at $%, and $8. Data extraction. Parsing log files. Extracting information from HTML or XML. Text replacement. Finding and replacing text in documents. Additional tips. Use online regex testers for experimentation. Break down complex regexes into smaller, understandable parts. Consider performance implications for large data sets. Leverage Java's built-in methods like string.matches, string.replaceAll, and string.split, for common operations. Matcher pattern, method in Java with examples. The matcher class in Java is used for performing match operations on text using regular expressions. The pattern, method in the matcher class is used to retrieve the pattern object that the matcher is using. This pattern object represents the compiled regular expression. Syntax. Public pattern. Return value. The method returns the pattern object associated with the matcher instance. Example 1, basic usage of pattern. Here's a simple example to demonstrate how to use the pattern method in conjunction with matcher. Import java.utility.regex.matcher. Import java.utility.regex.pattern. Public class matcher pattern example. Public static void main, string args. / compile a regular expression into a pattern. Pattern equals pattern dot compile, hello. / create a matcher object. Matcher equals pattern dot matcher, hello world. / check if the pattern matches. If, matcher dot find. System dot out dot println, pattern found in the text. Else. System dot out dot println, pattern not found in the text. / retrieve and print the pattern used by the matcher. Pattern retrieved pattern equals matcher dot pattern. System dot out dot println, the pattern used by the matcher is, plus retrieved pattern dot pattern. Output. Pattern found in the text. The pattern used by the matcher is, hello. Example 2, matching a phone number and retrieving the pattern. Let's see an example where we match a phone number pattern and retrieve the pattern. Import java.utility.regex.matcher. Import java.utility.regex.pattern. Public class phone number matcher. Public static void main, string args. / define a regex pattern for a phone number, example 12345678890. String phone number regex equals \\\d left brace 3 \\d left brace 3 -d4. / compile the regex pattern. Pattern equals pattern dot compile, phone number regex. / sample text containing phone numbers. String text equals my phone number is 12345678890 and my office number is 987-654-3210. / create a matcher object. Matcher equals pattern dot matcher, text. / find and print all matches. While, matcher dot find. System dot out dot println, found a phone number, plus matcher dot group. / retrieve and print the pattern used by the matcher. System dot out dot println, the pattern used by the matcher is, plus matcher dot pattern. Output. Found a phone number, 12345678890. Found a phone number, 987-654-3210. The pattern used by the matcher is, \d3 \d3 -d4. Explanation. Pattern compilation, the pattern dot compile, phone number regex, compiles the given regular expression into a pattern. Matcher creation, the matcher method creates a matcher object that performs match operations on the input string. Pattern retrieval, the matcher dot pattern retrieves the pattern object, and pattern dot pattern returns the regular expression as a string. Example 3, using pattern to reuse patterns. You can use the pattern method to reuse the compiled pattern for different match operations. Import java.utility.regex.matcher. Import java.utility.regex.pattern. Public class reuse pattern example. Public static void main, string args. / define and compile a regex pattern. Pattern equals pattern dot compile, \d plus sign, / matches one or more digits. / create matcher objects for different input strings. Matcher 1 equals pattern dot matcher, there are 123 apples. Matcher 2 equals pattern dot matcher, the total is $4,567. // find and print the first match in both strings. If matcher1.find system.out.println first match in string 1 plus matcher1.group. If matcher2.find system.out.println first match in string 2 plus matcher2.group. / retrieve and print the pattern used by the matchers. System.out.println, the pattern used by the matchers is plus matcher1.pattern. Output. First match in string 1, 123. First match in string 2, 4567. The pattern used by the matchers is \d+. Summary. The pattern method in Java's matcher class is useful for retrieving the pattern object associated with a matcher, allowing you to inspect, reuse, or further manipulate the pattern.